Hey everyone, and welcome to another episode of While I Wait, the Christmas Chronicles. So, I stopped getting a new Christmas tree probably years ago, and many years ago it stopped being real, but Jesus is real, y'all. And I took so long to put this thing together. There were so many hiccups putting this tree up because one, it's heavy, two, I didn't have everything I wanted and I was trying to ship it down to where I am now, but that didn't work. And then it evolved into me needing more for my house. So I decided to get a little decor for the table, for the door, and it evolved into a runner and it evolved into lights in the front, and I loved every bit. For our Christmas festivities, I decided to take my husband to an a cappella concert, which featured an amazing choir and Committed. And one thing about my husband and I, we love some good music, so we went to church. I'm usually used to taking part in church activities around Christmas and even in my church cantata, which I wasn't able to, but it's so nice watching my family take part and do such an amazing job. Christmas looked a little bit different this year, so I had to do it via FaceTime. And so here's my sibling pics. I definitely earned my stripes. You see all that food? That was cabbage, saltfish, and floats. And I even made some sorrel, which was delicious. And my husband made some beef. The one thing I had to really thank God for was the fact that my husband can actually cook. And we are not going to be hungry people. And I also tried my hand at making some mac and cheese. I also got a chance to make Christmas crack, which is on TikTok, a viral dessert. Yummy. I would say Christmas at the Dennis's was an absolute hit. It was so good. The food was delicious. I loved my company, and the Kris Kringle was excellent. Thank you for watching another While I Wait Christmas Chronicles edition.